Hello ISEC International, this is Gaurav. I'm currently the Vice President for ISEC in Delhi University, the highest performing local chapter of ISEC in India. I'm handling operations onto the EB of ISEC in Delhi University, and I am handling experience delivery. The last 9 months have been very challenging for me, yet the experience has been just truly amazing, and it is full of learning. I have recently graduated and I'm a full-time ISECer. When I say that because I fully believe in the product of ISEC, and I think that right now I do not need any sort of studies apart from my ISEC experience, because I think my ISEC experience will give me what I'm really looking for in life. Moving on to the answer of my specific question in my GST application, I personally think there are very basic and fundamental things which we need to do as a team, as a entity which is trying to train other entities. What we need to do is we need to track the sort of training that we are giving. We need to track it, and then we need to give proper incentives to people so that they feel good about it. A clear cut best case practice example is the CEM challenge by ISEC International. Why it was a major hit was because there was a challenge, there was a task after it, there was a challenge, there was a task after it, and it was ultimately leading to a certain incentive. The fact remains that people stay engrossed in what you're doing if you incentivize it, or if you make it fun by adding tasks, adding sort of new things than an ordinary session to it. Secondly, I think lead sensing is the most important and the most crucial thing. If you do not know what is it that your audience want to learn, and if you just randomly go out and start teaching people, it will be useless, because you won't be able to hit a chord, because the fact is that is not something that they need. So in order to have the right sort of training, in order to know as to what people want, you need to sense as to what they want to learn. Next, you need to know the outcome. As a trainer, if you are training somebody, you need to know as to what is it that training will lead to. If you are not sure in terms of your session objectives and in terms of what is it that they'll get tangibly out of the session, then the fact is that they will also stay confused and they will not understand as to how it will help them in doing the ELD. Next is train the trainers. We need to start focusing on training the trainers, and we need to sort of bring a different module for, let's say, A class trainer, B class trainer, C class trainer, so that people go through various training sessions and then they develop their training skills and become better trainers. And the fact is that ISEC needs to have that sort of training culture driven down across local chapters and the national networks across the various entities. Apart from that, I think moduling, making a proper structure which is like a course, is very important. Make a course, give it to the membership, probably paid, probably unpaid, so that people take it more seriously, and that way you will be able to track, and you will be able to see as to how many people are actually taking it seriously. With that, I am done. Thank you so much. Hoping to hear from you soon.